So I saw your question on the email. Solve the system equation by graphing. You got two lines here. You got to click here and it brings this tool up here. So you want to graph these two lines. You need two solutions. Here I have 3 and here I have 2 to each of these equations, at least 2. So y equal -2, what does that mean? That means the value of y is always -2 no matter what number you put here. We got to pick relatively small numbers between -10 and 10 just to fit the technology. So 0, -2, 1, -2, etc. So how do you graph this line? Well, you click on this little icon here, and you may notice the two little dots if you look closely. So like you click 0, -2 would be like at this point, and then you click 1, -2, that'd be like that point. Any number -2. So it's just a horizontal line where the y value is always -2 for any x. Then we got to find at least two solutions of this one. Well, y equals x minus 3. Whatever you pick for x, subtract 3 and you have y. So I picked 0. 0 minus 3 is a -3, and then I picked 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So then you click on that tool again. So I need to plot 0, -3, and so you can see where I clicked on that. And then 3, 0, I clicked on that. And it draws this line. Then you got to save it. And you can see the solution occurs right here at 1, -2. That's where the two lines intersect. But I'd click save and then check it. I hope this helps.